Hey, Dirty Red Riders, what's up, what's up, what's up? Thank you guys so much for tuning back into my YouTube channel today. Today, me and hubby and a couple of our neighbors are about to go on a ride to Dobins Air. Where we going?
Robins.
Huh?
Robins.
Warner Robins?
Robins Air Force Base.
Robins Air Force Base in Warner Robins, Georgia. We're gonna get some lunch, y'all. It's gonna be super fun. It's about what? How many miles from us? An hour. It's about an hour and some change from the house.
But I gotta tell you the miles.
And
65 miles.
65 miles away. It's not that far, but yeah, we just want to get out. It's after church, do a quick Sunday ride with our neighbors, y'all, and we gonna get it. So yeah, let's go. Come pick it up.
We get all the way here. I gotta take it on the back one.
It's down. I thought the kickstand was down.
You did one of mine.
I
we
did.
We get over there for the gate closed. I was just trying to get over there and take pictures by the plane.
Oh well.
Monday through Saturday. Sunday closed on Sundays and federal holidays. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is the base I was stationed at.
Really?
Yeah.
How long ago?
It was back in 2004, 2005.
How many years you did?
I did a total of 12 active and reserve. So yeah, I started off in the Air Force and then I switched to the Navy. And I did like 4 years reserve in the Navy. Up at Dobins.
In the Navy?
Yeah, it was.
Did you ever go on the ship?
I went on the ship when they sent me out to like San Diego and Jacksonville. So yeah, we were just stationed here, but most time they deployed us out to just go do our job. But yeah, if we wasn't deployed nowhere, we just went to Dobins and sat in the classroom and sat on the computer. Cause as you know, it ain't no ship here.
I did a couple of safety. They had a couple of crashes at Jacksonville Navy Base.
Okay.
And I had to go down and do some
Girl,
girl, that's sweet chocolate, girl.
I'm trying to tell you. Tell her again, Dave.
That's sweet chocolate.
Anyway, so y'all, we have made it back home. It was a wonderful trip, y'all. We got rained on just a little bit. We had a great time with our new neighbors. It ain't no Roster Cross, but we got a Dave and Robyn. How you like them apples wood? Hey, but anyway, so we had a wonderful ride down to Macon, Georgia, Warner Robins Air Force Base. It was great. Our neighbors loved it. So yeah, future rides to come, y'all. So remember, I'm the road queen, I'm my road king, and make the rest of your days the best of your days. And I'm about to go in the house and tear up the rest of this Olive Garden. So peace out. So as you know, yesterday when we went on the ride, I dropped my bike. So we're about to go review it and see if it's damaged. So let's go see. Okay. So I dropped it on the left side, which is this side. It's still dirty because it got rained on. So excuse that. But we're going to try to get underneath here to just see where it was damaged. And you can sort of see where it's scratched up. I had dropped it before and painted it. So I have to repaint it so you won't be able to see it. And this is underneath the bags. For those of you that was wondering if I had any damage to the saddlebags, I have dropped it before, so you may see a little bit of a scratch under there. But like I said, I put the black paint on it, and it's usually good to go. But yeah, this is any undercarriage. Just a review of the undercarriage, so you can see that the few times I have dropped my bike, this is the damage that it has incurred under the undercarriage. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I mean, shit, it happens. I'm alright with it. She's alright with it. She good to go. But she does need to be wiped down, even though she's still beautiful. So yeah, y'all, I'm out.